Hi, Franny here. I'm just going to give you a quick run through of the electric breast massager. It is waterproof, made from soft medical grade silicone on this side and a plastic control panel. This one comes with a function, so it has 6 different modes of vibration and also 3 different levels of heating. And the purpose of the electric breast massager is that it can really help with breastfeeding and pumping, and that it can increase letdown, empty the breast more effectively, relieve engorgement and help to clear blocked ducts. You can pop it inside your bra while you're breastfeeding or pumping, or you can also hold it and do more of a massage around the breast. So I'm just going to turn it on and show you what it sounds like. So you long press 1.5 seconds to turn it on, and then you can hopefully hear it's vibrating along the end. This one has 6 different modes of vibration, so I'm just going to cycle through those so you can hear what they're like. With these types of things, you would find what's more comfortable for you. It's one of those things that you just try and see what you like best. Kind of instinctively you will know which one, and also any type of massage is going to be beneficial. At the same time as massaging, you can also turn on the heating, and then that's got 3 levels of heating, so it just warms on the back of this. So this one, to use it, you can pop it inside your bra, and I can feel it vibrating over my clothes now, and it's got the heating. Or you can also massage around the breast like this, just slowly as you're feeding and nursing baby or as you're pumping, and that's just going to push the milk up and help you to clear any ducts so you can more effectively empty the breast. So I'll just turn that off. Long press to turn it off. So this one also, it's got a little USB charging port, comes with the USB cable, but you just need your own plug to get it into the power socket, and just do a close-up of it here for you. So yeah, just one of those new little gadgets. I do see a lot of gadgets come my way over my time of running this business, and this is something that I really like and I think is going to be beneficial for mums.